Danke bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-forward e-Kaizer Chiefs laphana uLilepo. Sewufike ngeJanuwari lo mdlali lona, udlale 13 or 14 games but already unama-goals ayi-6 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. Lokhu kuveza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iya-struggle ngempela ngama-goals because uLilepo ufike phakathi ne-season but already uyi-top goal scorer. So I don't know man ukuthi maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ibuild-e i-team around yena ukuthi akwazi uLilepo uku-convert ama-chances amaningi lawa awatholayo nanokuthi ashaye amagoli amaningi yabo. In terms of i-crisis yamagoli u-Kaizer Chiefs, they are really struggling because they are not able to convert their chances. Bayawathola wona ama-chance ukuthi bakore amagoli but abakwazi ukuwa-convert-a. uLilepo-ke since efikile uyazama ngempela ukuwasha amagoli. Naye kunokugeja lapho nalapho but-ke yena is a proven goal scorer. But-ke since afikile e-Kaizer Chiefs, he was promising ukuthi okay ngathi uzoba i-player eli-good kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs but i-performance yakhe seyidropile. I think i-team spirit around i-Kaizer Chiefs overall yabo ayikho good. 'Cause ungalisayina iplayer eli-good but malithi liyafika ethimini liyabona ukuthi i-team ayihlangene nanokuthi-ke bonke abantu bayaphilela leyo abafuna ukuziphilela ngakhona in terms of like ubungani nanokuthi badlalisa abantu, sibani akadlali yabo. Zonke lezo zinto lezo zingali-affect iplayer. Njengoba ubona ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs amanye ake adlala kwamanye ama-team aba-good ngempela but mayefika ku-Kaizer Chiefs livele lishintshe iplayer yabo. Akusabi ile player leli thina esike salibona but-ke ngimfisela inhlanhla uLilepo going forward ukuthi njengoba i-league vele seyizophela sekusele one game azibonakalise ngempela ukuthi ufuna ukuyilwela i-team but ngeke kube nomuntu oyedwa olwela i-team ukuthi uzowashaya ama-goal for i-team but abanye abantu nje they're not giving enough effort ukuthi bakwazi ukusiza i-team yabo. So uLilepo lo mdlali lo waseCongo kowadlala laphana ko-France ko-second division, une-experience futhi yokudlala e-Africa. Ufike eNaturena njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ngoJanuwari but-ke amagoli ayi-6 nawo akhona etafuleni. Uyasho ukuthi okay nawo amagoli nginawo, ngidlala ama-match amancane yes but senginama-goals awu-6 already. If uLilepo waqala ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-season because Kaizer Chiefs mayisaqala laphana ku-season beyihlangene ngempela i-strong. First two or three games bewashaya amagoli, create ama-chances, bawina ama-match ngasikhathi uSirina i-man of the match multiple times. If uLilepo wajoyina lapho ngabe una-over 10 goals lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs this season or boma-15 because yena uyambona ukuthi okay makwenzeka wathola ama-chance uyakwazi ukuwa-convert-a yabo. But-ke yawuthola i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke izinto azihlangani kahle but-ke sobona ukuthi uzophelela lapho uLilepo ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu.